Hello everyone, welcome back to IIPD Global, and this is Dilton with you. And in this video we are going to see how to configure MicroLogix PLC for Modbus TCP communication. So the first video we will see how to configure it for Modbus TCP communication. So to do that, let's open our RSLinks first. So classic. So I am using the MicroLogix 1400 series PLC to do this, and so let's see it step by step. So the first and foremost thing, let me just show you. Okay, so this is how the default interface will look by default, and let's say go to communications, configure drivers, and here you can enable a Ethernet or IP driver, and here you can select the subnet you want to scan. So in our offices, the subnets are available in we have two different subnets running, one for the internet and one for the PLC. So we have to select the PLC subnet. So our PLC is actually running in 192.168.0. subnet. So I'm selecting a IP that is similar to that, apply. Okay. So now as soon as you apply, you can see that here it shows up the PLC. So the PLC is a 1766L32BXBA 21.02 firmware PLC. It's MicroLogix 1400. So this is one of the last models that is still running in the MicroLogix series in Allen Bradley, and this is one of the most reliable model as well. So when I open the next thing is I want to open the RSLogix software. So RSLogix 500. So as soon as I open the RSLogix 500, you can see the empty window is opening. Let's create a new project and let's set up the Modbus communication parameters. It's very simple. At first we are going to use the Modbus parameter for as a TCP master. So it will read data from TCP client. So it will read from a server, and we will in the next after that we will see in a video where the PLC will act as a TCP server. So TCP client is basically the Modbus master in TCP, and TCP server means is the Modbus slave. Actually in RS485 networks it is called as master slave communication, but in Modbus TCP it is called as client server communication. Okay, so let's create a new file, new, let's give create a new file. Okay, our PLC is 1400 series B. Let's give OK. So let it be untitled, it's okay. So now the basic parameters you have to set is, so you have to go to the channel configuration. So in the channel configuration you can see you have different options. So this is where you set for RS485 communication, okay. But we are going to do Modbus TCP now. So we'll go to channel 1, and in channel 1 this is our Ethernet interface. So we have to do two things. We have to disable the boot P and we have to enable the Modbus TCP. You can see the Modbus TCP enabled. You have to enable this and disable this. If you do not disable boot P, you will not be able to get a proper IP, and the device cannot communicate constantly to another device. Okay, so I am removing the boot P and I am setting the IP manually. So the 192.168.0.4.55.255. So here you can see this in this location. We are not giving a gateway address because we don't want the PLC to connect to the internet, and we are not connecting the PLC to the internet. So that's why we are not giving the gateway or the DNS address. But if you are going to open up the PLC to the network, then you can set this up. So this is the initial setting to set up the Modbus TCP. So this is for both server or for client. Okay. So then finally you can give OK. So please check again. So in the channel status you can see a new Modbus TCP channel has been started up here. Okay. Yes. So thank you.